Honestly, sabay-sabay tayo harapin yung mga transitions in life. It's really scary. It's so uncertain. You really can't plan anything. Kahit anong plano natin minsan, at first, hindi yun yung mga ma-achieve natin. But we really never know. From my past experiences, you just enjoy. Most especially, I've learned in volleyball. Recently, when I got injured, I was too hard on myself, telling to get back more than 100% or even better from before. But I think nami-miss out natin sometimes na we just have to get back. If we try to do whatever or we do the things na kailangan natin gawin, dadating at dadating tayo sa point na mananalo ulit tayo. Don't rush. I think most of us now are rushing also to be successful, to win. But failure is also part of the journey. I mean, like all the hiccups, all the humps, wag ka talaga mag-give up.